To make this sound, you first open your mouth wide and lower your jaw, like this. Then put your tongue at a very low position, with the tip of your tongue touching the bottom front teeth. Remember to keep your mouth muscle tense, like this. As you know, ah is a voiced sound, so your vocal cords should vibrate slightly. Say it with me now. Ah. First, slightly open your mouth and keep it relaxed, like this. Then raise your tongue to the center of your mouth, not too high and not too low. The tip of your tongue should not touch other parts in your mouth. Please look at this diagram. Uh is a voiced sound, so you should feel the vibration in your vocal cords. Say it with me now. Awesome!
Let's start with ah and at the beginning of the words. I'll say them very slowly for the first time, so you should repeat after me. On to, otter, otter. To, udder, utter. Now let's practice words with ah and in the middle. Don't forget to repeat after me. Calm, barn, carp, march, come, bun, cup, much. Finally, words with our ah sound at the end. Please note that no words in English end with Now, listen carefully and repeat after me. Far, car, star, grandpa. Excellent job. You're the best.